My dear students, a very delightful good morning to all of you. Here I am Sunil Singh going to teach you some mathematical parts what you have revised in previous classes. It means we have already discussed the problems what are given in your exercise 1. First question given in your notebook, write the number names of each of the following. It means you have to write संख्या नाम. तुम जानते हो कि ये न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू में दिया हुआ है, इसको हमें शब्दों में लिख देना है. तो कैसे? We have already discussed about these type of questions in previous classes. Like this, take an example for you. Take if for question number 1. If given 7,86,001, given the number 1, if 7,86,001, write number names, then write it in simple way. 7,86,000 86,001. This has already solved here. It means I wrote here the number names for this numerical value. You have to write the number names of all the remain problems A, B, C, D, E, G and H. Simplify the following. You have to simplify. Just I solved one for you. I solved C, question number C of 2 for you. Given 55,416, 55,416 plus 15,237 minus 7,613 plus 20,267. Given the mark what are given, addition, subtraction, addition marks it shows that the number comes after this mark is positive one. Subtraction mark is shown that the number comes after subtraction is negative number. So we add negative with negative and positive with positive. Then 54,416 plus 15,237 plus 20,267 minus 7,613. First add all these numbers together. 7, 7, 14, 6, 20, 0, 2, 6, 8, 3, 9, 8, 3, 11, 11, 1, 12, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 325,549 0 5 5 10 0 1 2 1 3 3 1 4 4 5 9 minus 7,613 equal to, now subtract 10 minus 3 7, 1 minus 1 0, 9 minus 6 3, 10 minus 7 3, 8. Our solution is 83,307. Estimate the sum to the nearest 10. Verify its response by actual addition. Reasonableness by actual addition. Estimate the sum to the nearest 10. Verify its reasonableness by actual addition. 53 and 28. A. Nearest to 10. 53 is nearest to 10 equal to 50, whereas 28 is nearest to 10 equal to 30. The sum of 50 and 30 equal to 80. B. You have to solve the question number B by yourself. Find the missing digits. Given here 4 5-8 2 1 6 dash. What we subtract from 8 to get 5? Definitely that number is 3. It means if we subtract 3 from 8, we get 5. From 9 to 6, we get 3. It means we subtract 6 from 9, we get 3. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. Again 1 for you. When we subtract 1 minus 1, we get 0. 5 minus 9, we get 4. 3 minus 6, we get 3. 2 from 7, 5. 4 minus 0, 4. 5 minus 2, 3. In simple way we can fill up it. Find the product of the following. Product 245 minus 3203. You can find out by taking estimation. By estimation it, but not given to estimate these numbers. So simply you can solve it. Like multiply 243 with 3203. 245 multiply 3. At first we start multiply by 3 to all the given digits. First 3 to 5, 3 multiply 5, 15, 5 in hand 1, 3 multiply 4, 12 plus 1, 13, 3 in hand again 1, 3 multiply 2, 6, 6, 1, 7. Leave one digit and then multiply with 0. When we multiply any number by 0, we get the 0. Again multiply 2 by the each of the digit of 245. Leave one place. 2 5 ja 10, 0 1, 2 4 ja 8, 1 9, 2 2 ja 4. Again 3. As we have already multiplied here, we get 735. So leaving one place, we write here 5 3 7. Now add 5 3 7 9 4 14 1 4 3 7 1 8 7. The second one, you can solve it by the other method like this. 3203 multiplied 245 equal to by distributive method, यानी कि बांट कर इसको हम सोल्व करते हैं. कैसे सोल्व करते हैं? 3203 multiply 200 plus 45. This is called distributive method. At first 3203 multiply 200 plus 3203 multiply 45 equal to, now 3 2 ja 6, 0, 2 2 ja 4, 3 2 ja 6. It means 6,40,600 plus 45 3 ja 135, 13 3 1 91 91 9 again 135 9 144. Now add together 055 033 617 044 448 617. Which method is easy for you? You have to solve. You have to use that method. You have to solve all the questions by that method which is easy for you. Estimate the product by rounding off to the nearest 100. Rounding off to the nearest 100. 136 into 682. One for you. 136 multiply 682. Now we will write a round of 136 to the nearest 100 equal to 100. Again, round off 682 to the nearest 100 equal to 700. Just we have find out the round of numbers of 136 to the nearest 100 and 682 to the nearest 100 and add together. What we get? We get here 800. You have to solve all these questions according to this example A of 6. Solve and verify your answer. First solve and verify your answer. 7. 1 for you. Solve 18,259 divided by 4. 18,259 divided by 4. Divide it. 18,259 divide first 18 by 4. 4 4 is 16. Remainder here 2. Again take 2. Here 22. 5 times 20. 2 5. 6 times 24. 1 9. 4 4 is 16. Remainder 3. It means here dividend equal to 18,259. Divisor equal to 4. Quotient equal to 4,564 and remainder equal to 3. Now when you are going to verify it, we use this formula. Dividend equal to quotient multiply divisor plus remainder. Dividend given here 18,259 equal to quotient 4,564 multiply 4 divisor plus remainder 3 equal to. Now multiply 4 4 is 16, 6 1, 4 6 is 24, 1 25, 2, 4 5 is 22, 22, 2, 4 4 is 16, 2, 18 plus 3. Now add 3 6 9 5 2 8 1. It means dividend equal to dividend. Here proved that dividend equal to quotient multiply divisor plus remainder. Same LHS equal to RHS, left hand side equal to right hand side. This is very fine. Now you can write very fine. Next, estimate the quotient by rounding off the dividend to the nearest 100. Estimate the quotient by rounding off the dividend to the nearest 100. We have to rounding off only the dividend. 8. A. Observe here. I am going to solve one for you. 517 divided 39. 517 divided 39. Before solving it, we have to estimate 517 nearest to 100. Rounding off 517 nearest to 100 equal to 500. It means now the dividend will be 500 and we divide 500 by 39. Divide here 500 by 39. One time 39. 1 1 0. Two times only. 78. 10 minus 8 2, 10 minus 7 3. Thus we get the result here. Quotient equal to 12. Right? See the next one. Just observe here, complete the following division sum. 1 dividend 18-5 divided by 7. Here given dash. Wrote here 4. I wrote here 4. So can our remainder comes here 4. Then the remainder given here 3. What we get the number from? We subtract 2 and we get 3. Definitely our answer will be 5. So in this system you have to fill up this for you. The second, see here, given divisor 8, we do not have a proper dividend. We have to fill the blanks to get the proper dividend. So first, how many times 8 multiplied to come 24? Definitely we can say 3 times. Then the quotient, we fill up the first digit for the quotient 3. 3 times 24. From which digit 4 is subtracted to get 3, we can easily say that 7 minus 4, 3. Again 3 dash. It means 8 4 times multiplied. There comes 32. Then which number we put here? Definitely the 7, from which 2 subtract we get 5, right? So here the number, also the digit 7 come here. Here given 6. How many times 8 multiplied to get 56? We get the answer 7 times. 8 7 is 56. From which digit or number we subtract 6 to get 2? We can say 8. So here get 8 already. Here 4. It means here we put 4 and 8 3 times 24 to get the remainder 0. So we got here the dividend 27,784, quotient 3,473, and what are necessary to fill up in this process we have already filled. See, leave for you have to solve it. Question number 10. 555 divided by 15. Simply you can solve it. How will you solve it? See here, 555 is the dividend and divisor is 15. It means from 15 you have to divide 555. 3 times 45, 0, 1, 5. 7 times 105. 15 7 is 105. Our remainder here 0. So here we get quotient equal to 37. You have to write in such way. See the example of question number D. 41 into 41. We have to multiply it. 41 multiplicand, multiplier is also 41. Multiply 41, 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16. Now we get 41 into 41, 1681. See, now we have discussed up to question number 10 today of the recap or exercise 1. We will discuss the next question from 11 in the next video. So thanks all of you and have a great day ahead.